I think I finally understand what Joe Dispenza means when he says that you are not your thoughts, because I used to worry about everything constantly, okay? My relationship, my future, money, my cats. Oh my God, my cats take up so much of my brain space. I used to just get anxious over things not working out or not going according to plan. Like my mind was always running. And then I went to a Joe Dispenza retreat. It was just 3 days, but I swear something shifted, like something cracked open in me. I started to realize that these thoughts running through my head, like the fear, the lack, the anticipation that things would go wrong, that these were all just patterns. They're not me. They're programming, right? They're stories stored inside my nervous system. The real me is actually the one watching and experiencing it. When I zoomed out and understood that I am a vessel that is holding onto information and that I can change that information, I can literally rewire and unwire any belief, I started to relax. And you will not take your fears, doubts, anxiety so seriously when you actually know that. Yes, they all exist, but you are capable of handling them. So, this is what you can do in your daily life. When you wake up and you notice that you feel anxious, first of all, just know that that is not the entirety of you. That's a thought pattern. When you feel like there's never enough, right? That's not your whole entire permanent reality. That's a programming. So you can, in that moment and in any moment, choose a different thought, a feeling, and a way of being. Because if there's one thing I learned from the Joe Dispenza retreat, it's truly that lack is an illusion. And abundance is our natural state. We are always provided for. We're always taken care of. So when you're in lack, you're actually still in abundance, but you are in an abundance of lack. That's it. The moment you stop being your thoughts and you start watching them, you will start to feel differently. And now I walk through my life differently after that retreat. I see beauty in everything, in every moment, in the light, in strangers, in the ordinary, in my cup of coffee in the morning. And once you see that, I swear to God, you cannot unsee it. And my life is not perfect, okay? I go through things. I feel triggers too, but I stopped letting my mind convince me that I'm not enough. And I stopped letting these negative stories take over my life. I actually have a free meditation at the link in my profile. Check it out. You can start connecting to yourself beyond your thoughts and watch your entire life change. I call this meditation your cosmic self, because that's really what it is. Like sometimes we just need to remind ourselves that we are not entirely this body. Yes, this body is real. I love Silkina, but Silkina is not the entirety of me. Like, I'm consciousness. We're all consciousness, right? So check out that meditation at the link in my profile and comment below if this resonates with you or if you have any questions that you want to ask me.